Hello, everybody, and welcome. Coach Jane with GILD here, and I am here with Coach Will, also with GILD. Say hey, Will.
Hey, how's it going?
Will is our environmental specialist, and many of you know him because you're part of our programs, and others get to meet him right now. This April is our first anniversary as an official company, as an official coaching practice, and we've just had so much fun. And as part of our anniversary celebration, we are going to be diving into another book in our book club. We did a few last year, took a couple months off, but Will said, hey, I've got this really great thing that I think that our community can benefit from, and so he's here to tell us about it. What book have you chosen?
It is The Untethered Soul by Mark Singer.
All right, so why did you choose this one?
I think it's a practical way to learn mindfulness. That's pretty much as simple as I can put it.
Yeah, and so many people, I actually just talked to a new contact for the first time, and she said that she's tried mindfulness. You know, I've even tried mindfulness and yoga is what she said, but that just doesn't seem to work for me. So there's so many books on mindfulness. Why this one?
Jane, I feel this book really encompasses all the things that you learn from different meditation and mindfulness practices, only you can do them during your daily schedule. I mean, the author really breaks things down, makes them really simple to understand.
Yeah, so it's like we teach in our signature program how to do it, because it's over so many people's heads and they think it's woo-woo or whatever, but then how to do it during the regular motions of your life. So this actually illustrates that better.
It does. It goes into all the parts of yourself, all the things that, like you were saying, people see as woo-woo. I'm always the type of person who wants to know why certain things, why you do certain things. I think this book really goes into it. It's not, I wouldn't say it's a how-to book, but once you read it, it builds chapter per chapter and really breaks down how you can live a more mindful life.
Oh, very cool. So it gives you practical application.
Absolutely. Yes.
All right. Yep. That's perfectly aligns with everything that we do here with our clients.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Everything that you guys do, everything that GILD does, it's a perfect, fit for program.
Absolutely. Okay. So we've got a special group that's off of this main Facebook page that people can go and just request membership into, and we'll let you in. It's free. And so you're going to spend the month of April and tell us a little bit about what they're going to experience there.
Well, I'm going to be putting myself out there as far as different videos, kind of summarizing my thoughts, but I'll also be giving certain entries on every chapter. There'll be an entry, and then periodically I'll be doing videos.
Okay, and then people can come in and interact and ask questions and post their responses.
Yeah.
And awesome.
It'll be an ongoing discussion, ongoing conversation between anyone that's interested.
Absolutely. Very cool. And then toward the end, we're going to do a live session for folks to just come in and have a live discussion about it and maybe dive a little deeper into mindfulness.
That'd be awesome. Yes, I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, fantastic. Because this really can, we've got so many people who are high-powered professionals who are really trying to make a difference, earn more, get that promotion, be a better manager. And this can really play such a big part in that, don't you think?
Yeah, I really do. I think once you get, no matter who you are and what job you have, it really comes down to your inner struggles and the things that we try to avoid and inner fears that we all carry with us. And this book really helps you delve into that and find ways to kind of overcome those things.
Very cool. Very cool. All right. Well, everybody, click the link to join the group, or I've also put a little hot link in the description here so that if you want to grab a copy, either digital or hard copy like Will just had, you can do that too. There you go. That's what it looks like. So click the link, join the group, grab your copy of the book, and we'll see you in April, right?
Can't wait. I'm looking forward to it, Jane. Thank you very much.
Very cool. Thanks, Will.
Awesome.